Alright, good afternoon. This is Fudgy McPoo coming at you with another box break. My first box break of the Panini Playoff Contenders. Today's box break is eligible for the lucky number 7 bonus break. And today for the lucky number 7 bonus break, I have a box of Hobby O-Peachy and a box of SP Authentic. That will come after we open the box of Playoff Contenders. I will roll the die. If I roll a number 7, we're going to open up a free hobby box at the end. But let's start with the Playoff Contenders. That's what you guys are playing for. That's what you paid for. That's what we're going to crack open. This is my first box, so I am a Panini Contenders virgin. So I'm not 100% comfortable with all the inserts in this box, but we can work our way through it, I'm sure. We are opening box NE89907359. Maybe if I hold it out a little further here, it'll stay in focus. This is a sealed box, of course. All of my sealed boxes come from David Adams. Based on the bids we got on this, I will probably be ordering more of these contenders since there seem to be enough interested parties. I always like to check out. There we go. That's a little bit different, but oh, all right. So they got the box, the picture of the box on the inside. Checklist. And stack of cards. We got 24 packs, 5 cards per pack, Playoff Contenders. I will read off the team names for all the common and base cards and go into further detail on any hits we get. So let's start off with pack number 1. Here is a season ticket. Season ticket. Alright, here is a Mike Smith, Tampa Bay Lightning. Here is a Ryan Clough, San Jose Sharks. And we have a classic ticket, LA Kings left wing Luc Robitaille. Not sure if this is a numbered card, no. This is a shiny foil card, LA Kings Luc Robitaille classic ticket. St. Louis Blues, and Buffalo Sabres. Here we got the Senators, Predators, and it looks like we have our first redemption card here is card number 121. Rookie tickets. So we're gonna have to go ahead and find out who this card is going to. Card number 121, rookie tickets. Actually, let me check the checklist here, and there we go. Card 121, rookie tickets, is Zach Hamill. Zach Hamill. I believe Zach Hamill is Boston Bruins. It doesn't say in here, but Zach Hamill, I believe Boston Bruins. If I'm wrong, don't shoot me, but I will get it to the right team. I'll look it up to be sure. But Zach Hamill, rookie tickets card. Okay, we got Thrashers, and we got the Leafs. I guess the little checklists do come in handy. Never really used those before. We got Blues, Penguins. We got a Leather Larceny, Cam Ward, Carolina Hurricanes. That's an odd feeling little card. Bertuzzi, Red Wings, and Hurricanes. Oh wow. That pack does not want to be opened. I am not a big fan of some of these cards making all their rookies redemption, so hopefully that's not like this set here. Rangers, Sharks, and here's a lottery winner draft Sam Gagner, center for the Oilers. This is overall 6th pick in the 2007 draft. Sam Gagner. Insert card. Panthers and Capitals. So it looks like there seems to be quite a few different inserts in this set, which could make it an interesting set here. Senators, Predators, and it looks like we have a rookie autograph of Evgeny Grachev. This is New York Rangers, Evgeny Grachev, autograph rookie. Kick ass. He is one of the top rookie hits, especially for the Rangers. So Evgeny Grachev, auto rookie, and if you can see that autograph down there, card is in super good condition. The autograph kind of comes off the bottom of the card a little, but not bad. Blackhawks and Ducks. Wow, pretty excited about the Grachev. Islanders, Kings. There's an awards contenders. Jonathan Quick, Los Angeles Kings, for the Vezina Trophy. Bruins, Canucks. Try not to put too much torque on these packs as I open them. Alright, Flyers, Red Wings, Blue Jackets, Blues, and Chris Letang, Pittsburgh Penguins. Here's a fat pack here. A little thicker than the others. Sabres, Capitals. Here's draft tandems, Alex Ovechkin and Evgeny Malkin. The Penguins, Capitals draft tandems. We will have to do a quick check on random.org to see if that's going to the Capitals or the Penguins. So I will videotape that as well. Rangers and Kings. So pretty cool to get the Ovechkin Malkin draft tandems. But it's going to suck if you're the one guy that doesn't get it, I know. Panthers, Blue Jackets. Here's an Against the Glass Alex Ovechkin. This is a pretty cool little card. One of these see-through cards here. Alex Ovechkin, Capitals, Against the Glass. Pretty cool. Leafs and Sharks. Blackhawks, Bruins, Canucks, Flyers, and Devils. And last pack of the stack, another fat one. By the way, the fatness, and that other one I pulled out the spacer and didn't call it out, I guess. Sharks, Flyers. Here's a Winter Classic card. The Great Outdoors, Marian Hossa from the 2009 NHL Winter Classic in Chicago. So this is going to the Detroit Red Wings. Another interesting insert card. Spacer. Oilers. Blue Jackets. So halfway done with the box. Lots of inserts. Let's get through the second half of the box. Let's see if we can't get another good one. Hurricanes, Thrashers, Legendary Contenders, Grant Fuhr, Edmonton Oilers. Grant Fuhr had one of the crazier masks. I'm not sure if you can see that. One of the crazier masks in the NHL when I was growing up. A legendary goalie on a legendary team. Canadiens, Oilers. Devils, Kings. Here's what appears to be a silver or mirrored parallel of some sort. This is numbered 62 out of 100 of Jerome Iginla from the Calgary Flames. Number 62 out of 100. Jerome Iginla, Calgary Flames. Some sort of mirrored or foil or silver, whatever they're calling it in this deck, parallel card. Flyers and Devils. Red Wings, Avalanche. Here's a perennial contenders, Jordan Staal, Pittsburgh Penguins. Jordan Staal in his powder blue uniform. Center for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Cool. Always like getting Penguins. Kings, Stars. I'm a little bit overwhelmed by the amount of inserts and parallel cards in this set. Sabres, Canucks, and here's another auto rookie season ticket of Evan Brophy from the Chicago Blackhawks. Evan Brophy autograph rookie card. Chicago Blackhawks. Not sure if these are short printed. I'm sure they are. Hurricanes, Bruins, but not sure what the number is. I will learn. Blackhawks, Bruins, another auto rookie. This is for the Edmonton Oilers, Linus Ullmark. Linus Ullmark, autographed rookie. So if you had the Oilers, at least you're getting something for the good amount that you paid. And your heart probably stopped for a second once you saw the Oilers in the auto. But it is Linus Ullmark. And as they say down south in Mexico, mejor que nada. Tampa Bay and Sidney Crosby, Pittsburgh Penguins. Canucks, Sharks, and here's a lottery winner, draft lottery winner with some fancy green print. It is Evander Kane from the Atlanta Thrashers. The Atlanta Thrashers, who will be no more. 4th overall pick in the 2009 draft in Montreal. Oh, and this card is numbered 19 out of 50. So, I'm guessing this is some sort of emerald card or whatever. The like I said, the print is in green on this card, numbered to 50. Evander Kane. Lightning, Wild. Looks like we have about 6 more packs to go. We got the Flyers, the Wild, the Panthers, the Red Wings, and the Blackhawks. The Blues, the Flyers. Here's a Rookie of the Year contender. Tyler Seguin, Rookie of the Year contender. Boston Bruins. Pretty cool. Boston Bruins fans always looking for a Tyler Seguin card. And here one is, Rookie of the Year contenders, Tyler Seguin. Not in actual reality because he barely got to play. Canucks and Lightning. But he does get to play for the Conn Smythe Trophy, I guess. Islanders, Wild, Upside Down Rangers, Capitals, and Maple Leafs. And another fat pack here.